There it is, folks. February 5th, 2020. Oklahoma snowstorm, if you want to call it that. It is almost 3:30 a.m. and this is how it's coming down. I am doing a steady 47 miles per hour, which ain't too bad out here on the highway, being supposed to be 60 miles per hour. I am driving a 3/4 ton truck, so it seems to be handling in this stuff pretty well. Really, dude? You have to put blinkers on? Wow. What about you, dude? You're going pretty slow yourself, huh? Wow. Alright. Well, it looks like this truck can make it pretty good, huh? Yeah. Thing different, trucks can usually make it better than cars can, you know? Let's go ahead and put our blink on over and get on over. Oh yeah. But I just want to give y'all a little heads up of what Oklahoma weather they're all saying. And I had these snowflakes are freaking huge too. Dude, get on over, man. You're like in my lane too. Sheesh. Alright. Well, it's been about 2 minutes or so, so I'm going to cut it off here and get back to actually driving better. Alright, bye.